Hey guys, I got a new box in today. So this is, I've just opened it, but this is a closet organizer. And as you can tell, it was packaged actually really nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of start taking out all the pieces. Let's see what this looks like. So far, I can tell you the hardest part about the entire thing were these stupid zip ties. They were just really hard to cut off. But once you get past that and you pull all the pieces out, I have worked on this thing for almost 12 minutes. And this is what I have so far. So as you can tell, it's very easy to put up. But this is a wardrobe shelf. So this will be perfect for like a closet or in your garage, which is where I'm actually going to be putting this one. And everything is made out of metal, so it's very high end. It does come with this really cute little wrench, which you can go ahead and tighten your legs, these little rollers. So you can see it's actually rolling like really nicely. And then they also have locks. So I put the two locks on one side. You can choose to put them on the right or the left or whatever you want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this out and show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so it's been a total of 20 minutes so far, and this is the rack itself. So I am super impressed with this thing. This thing is super nice. I have not hammered it down. It says to use like a mallet and hammer these down to make them a little bit tighter. I haven't done that yet because I'm not at that step yet. So I just wanted to go ahead and kind of put it together. So it does have a rod here that you can see where you can go ahead and hang like your jeans or whatever it may be, your shirts. This is perfect for your closet. Everything is made out of wire, metal, including the legs. Everything is made out of metal, so you don't have to worry about anything getting saggy or anything like that, depending on the weight that you put on there. Then it's also got some extra hooks here, so if you wanted to hang your belts or your caps, this is perfect for that. I think some scarves would work really well on that as well. And then of course it's got your top shelf, so if you wanted to put some shoes. I'm short, so I wouldn't be able to do that. I had to use a little bit of a step ladder to kind of put this piece on, but it also has some additional hooks here on this side as well. So I just wanted to go ahead and show this to you because this thing is super nice. I don't even think that you could only use it in a closet. I think you could probably go ahead and use it in a garage or a storage shed or of some nature, an extra smaller, you know, bedroom that you needed to have, like you didn't have a closet and you wanted to be able to put this in there, you could. So just wanted to go ahead and show that to you because I think this thing is fantastic and we're going to get a lot of use out of this. Okay, so the video is not truly complete until you see actual items on the shelf, and this is what it's going to look like. So I do have some of his FR shirts hanging there, as well as his jeans, and then of course I just threw a pair of boots that he normally wears. These are not his work boots, these are just a pair of shoes on there. You could actually put a couple of pairs of shoes there, maybe even 3. He could move his jeans up on the top. However, he does have probably about 15 pairs of pants and 15 shirts. So once everything is actually completed and put on the shelf, it will be full. So just wanted to go ahead and show you that final product with all of his clothes or some of his clothes hanging on it so you could see what it would look like.